Everything you've been told about being too sensitive might be wrong. Not slightly wrong, completely backward. What if the trait you've been apologizing for your entire life isn't a flaw, but a neurological upgrade? Science suggests that 15 to 20% of people are wired differently. Not weaker, not unstable, just built with a more responsive nervous system. While most brains filter out the majority of sensory and emotional input to save energy, yours doesn't filter as aggressively. It absorbs more, processes more, connects more. Imagine two cameras recording the same moment. One captures the basic outline, the other captures texture, micro expressions, subtle tone shifts, background tension and emotional undercurrents. That second camera is your brain. Neuroscientists call part of this low latent inhibition, meaning your brain lets in more information instead of dismissing it as irrelevant. That's why loud rooms exhaust you. That's why harsh words linger. But it's also why you see patterns and beauty others overlook. Then there are your mirror neurons. These are responsible for empathy. In most people, they allow understanding. In you, they allow simulation. When someone near you is anxious, your body registers anxiety. When someone is hurting, you feel a version of that hurt. You're not being dramatic. Your nervous system is literally mirroring their state. And then there's depth of processing. While others react quickly and move on, your brain runs extended analysis in the background. You replay conversations. You test possible outcomes. You analyze meaning beneath words. From the outside, it may look like overthinking. In reality, it's complex neural computation. Now here's the critical question. If this wiring makes life more intense, why did evolution keep it? Because every tribe needed more than warriors. Bold, fast, risk-taking individuals were essential. But a group made entirely of impulsive decision-makers would self-destruct. The tribe also needed observers, pattern readers, emotional barometers, early warning systems. That role belonged to people wired like you. The issue isn't your sensitivity, it's the environment. Modern culture rewards speed, noise, and emotional numbness. Of course you feel overwhelmed. A high-resolution system reaches overload faster. When you retreat into silence, when you need darkness, when you shut down after too much stimulation, that isn't weakness, that's system protection. Think of it this way. Some plants grow through cracks in concrete. Others require specific light and precise care. In the wrong environment, they struggle. In the right one, they bloom beyond comparison. Research on vantage sensitivity shows that highly responsive individuals suffer more in harsh environments, but they also thrive more in supportive ones. You don't need thicker skin. You need better conditions. The world doesn't need you numb. It needs your perception, your empathy, your ability to detect what others miss. You are not too sensitive. You are high resolution in a low resolution world.